I want 25 sons.
And you have so far? How many?
It's confidential. I want 25 boys. Of course I love my daughters too, but boys carry the name, right? So I know it's not politically correct. I want boys. I do believe that, you know, supercars and fancy hotels and nice meals, it's all nice. But in the end of the day, when you're old, you're going to want a family around you. You want your legacy. I also like to think that when I'm dead, there'll be another Andrew Tate with a big mouth causing trouble for the government.
I got 2 sons, like
Oh,
6 and 3.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. 23 to go.
I don't
He's ahead of me. He's ahead of me, you see?
I don't know.